Under the superfamily Strongyloideae, one of the important genera is Oesophagostomy, and the major species for sheep, goat, camel, and different other antelopes is Oesophagostomy columbianum. And for sheep, goat, there are two other important species. They are Oesophagostomy venulosum and Oesophagostomy aspersum. But for cattle and buffalo, the important species is Oesophagostomy radiatum. And for pig, the important species includes Oesophagostomy dentatum, Oesophagostomy brevicordum, etc. And there are some other species under the genus Oesophagostomy that also important for different wild animals such as monkey and different other primates. So all these parasites located in the large intestine, especially cecum colon. And here the distribution of all these parasites are listed here. For an example, Oesophagostomy columbianum, the distribution is worldwide, but they are mostly found in tropical and subtropical areas of the world. And another important parasite is Oesophagostomy radiatum. They are also distributed worldwide. And all these parasites are responsible for causing a disease which is called Oesophagostomiasis. And this parasite commonly known as nodular worm because they produce nodule in both the small intestine as well as large intestine.